Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss. Nutrition hacks for busy professionals. Eating well on a tight schedule. As someone with a demanding schedule, it can be challenging to prioritize healthy eating. But fear not. We've got you covered with some practical tips to help you eat well even on a tight schedule. We all know how hectic life can get, with back-to-back meetings, deadlines, and long work hours. It's easy to fall into the trap of grabbing quick, unhealthy meals. But taking care of your nutrition is essential for maintaining energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. So, let's jump right into our nutrition hacks. The first hack is meal prepping. Spend some time each week planning and preparing your meals in advance. This will save you time and ensure that you have healthy options readily available. Consider batch cooking your proteins, chopping vegetables, and portioning out your meals. Store them in convenient containers, ready to grab and go. By doing this, you can have a well-balanced meal at your fingertips, even during your busiest days. Hack number 2 is all about smart snacking. Instead of relying on vending machine options or unhealthy treats, choose healthier alternatives. Stock your desk or bag with nutritious snacks such as nuts, seeds, fresh fruits, or homemade protein bars. These will keep you satiated and energized throughout the day. Remember, the key is to plan ahead and have these snacks readily available whenever hunger strikes. Our third hack revolves around power-packed smoothies. When you're short on time, blending a nutrient-dense smoothie can be a lifesaver. Prep your smoothie ingredients the night before, so all you have to do is blend and pour it into a portable bottle in the morning. This way, you'll have a nourishing meal on the go, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get a variety of nutrients, and you can customize them to suit your taste preferences. Hack number 4 is all about making smart choices when dining out. As a busy professional, eating out is often inevitable. But you can still make healthier choices. Opt for restaurants that offer nutritious options or choose dishes with lean proteins, plenty of veggies, and whole grains. Also, be mindful of portion sizes and practice mindful eating to savor each bite. By being selective and making mindful choices, you can still enjoy dining out while nourishing your body. And there you have it. Nutrition hacks for busy professionals to eat well on a tight schedule. Remember, it's all about planning, being prepared, and making conscious choices. By implementing these hacks, you can maintain a healthy diet and fuel your body for success. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on health, wellness, and productivity. Don't let your busy schedule compromise your nutrition. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.